Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a user to your Instagram business account. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to simply open your browser and then inside here, simply search for Instagram.com. Once you search for it, log into your account, and once you're logged in, you have to make sure that your profile is on business mode. To do so, tap on this more icon, then tap on settings. Inside here, simply tap on creator tools and controls, and then tap on switch to business or professional account. I have already switched mine, so it's not showing right over here. After you have switched your account to your professional account, open a new tab and then in the search bar search for business.facebook.com. Once you do that, simply tap on login with Instagram and then log in to your account. Now once you're logged into your Instagram account, all you have to do is simply tap on settings right over here. Before adding someone, make sure your contact information is set up. If you see add contact info, click onto it and enter your details. Now after you enter your details, all you have to do is simply tap on invite people button right over here. And just like that, type the email address of the person you want to add. Choose whether to give them temporary or permanent access and then press on next. You can give user full control, which means full admin access, or you can give partial access by turning on only permission you want them to have. And just like that, click on next. After that, you will be able to find a drop-down menu. Then choose your Instagram account, then tap on confirm. And finally, click on invite with one asset. The person you added will get an email invitation, and once they accept it, they will be added as a user on your Instagram business account. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.